So type Sackett. Circular seating arrangement. Now again some rules are there which we should follow whenever we arrange the people around a circular table. And the rules are very simple. For example, suppose we have to arrange different people around a circular table, then we should take the uh, that they are facing towards center. We should take the general condition or ideal condition when all the person are facing towards center. Okay, if we are taking this position, then the clockwise rotation is always follow the left arrangement. Is always follow the left arrangement, and the anti-clockwise rotation is follow the right arrangement. Now, what do you mean by left arrangement and right arrangement? I will tell you by taking some examples. For example, suppose A, B, C, and D are four people sitting around a circular table. Okay, and now we can say that B is to the left of A because B is to in clockwise direction to A. That's why we can say that B is next to the left of A. Similarly, we can say that D is the person who is next to the right of A. So when this is given that different people are sitting around a circular table, then we should consider this thing by default that all of them are facing towards center, and when they are facing towards center, then we should take the clockwise direction as left arrangement and the anti-clockwise direction as right arrangement. Okay, now let's start some examples based on circular position. Example 1. Five persons are playing cards, and they are sitting around a circle in a circle and facing each other. Okay, facing each other means they are facing towards center. Now one person, Mukund, was sitting to the immediate left of Rajesh. Mukund, let first draw a circle and just mark 5 places. Now this is one most important thing which I want to tell you, that suppose we have to arrange 5 people around a circular table, then or in a circular position, then this is not the way that if we arrange them like this is not the proper arrangement. If we have to arrange 5 person around a circle in a circle, then we should arrange them, we should distribute them equally according to the circumference. For example, we should take the equal distance between them, and or we can divide the circumference in equal parts. So 5 person are there who are sitting in a circle, and Mukund was to the immediate left of Rajesh, because Mukund was, like, this person is Mukund and he is immediate left to Rajesh, so Rajesh should be immediate right to Mukund. So uh, now if we arrange them like this, then Mukund is immediate left to Rajesh and Rajesh is immediate right to Mukund. Okay, and next statement is Vijay was to the right of Anil and between Anil and Nagesh. Now Vijay was between Anil and Nagesh, so Vijay should be in this position, and because he is between Anil and Nagesh but to the right of Anil, so to the right of Anil, it's mean Anil should be here. Then only Vijay is to the right of Anil, to the right of Anil, and the Nagesh is the person who is sitting this. So this is the arrangement that if we take them clockwise, then first of all Kindu is there, followed by Nagesh, and then Vijay, Anil, and finally Rajesh. Take one more example based on circular arrangement. Suppose 6 person P, Q, R, S, T, and U are sitting in a circle facing one another, front to front. Now P is sitting front of Q. P is sitting in front of Q. What do you mean by P is sitting in front of Q? it's mean that this is a next example. First, draw a circle. Now, because this is given that 6 persons are there or sitting around a circle, it's mean any two of them are always diagonally opposite. Now, this is given that P is sitting in front of Q. So take P at any position and just mark Q just opposite to, diagonally opposite to that person P. Now Q is also sitting to the immediate right of T. Q is sitting to the immediate right of T. It's mean T is to the left of Q. Then only Q is immediate right to T. And then this is also given that Q is also sitting to the immediate left of R. So Q who is sitting immediate right to T is also sitting immediate left to R. So the position of T and R is they are sitting adjacent to Q, but T is sitting to the left to Q and R is sitting to the right to Q. And the last statement is P is to the left of U and right of S. P is sitting to the left of U. P is sitting to the left of U. It's mean U should be at this position, then only P is sitting to the left of U and to the right of S. So this position is occupied by S. So this is the arrangement, the simple one. Third example based on sitting arrangement. This time we are taking arrangement around a square table. Okay, just listen the statement carefully. 8 persons E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L are seated around a square table, 2 on each side. So the first statement is 8 persons E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L are sitting around a square table and 2 on each side. So this is that square table and 2 persons are on each side of the square table. Okay. Now the next statement is there are 3 lady members and they are not seated next to each other. It's mean no 2 ladies are seated next to each other around this square table. The next statement is J is to the immediate neighbor of L and F. Now start your the diagram from this statement, because this is given that J is to the immediate neighbor of L and F. That J is at this position. Now he is immediate neighbor of L and F. So L is either on this position or on this position, and similarly F is also the immediate neighbor of J. The next statement is G is between I and F. Now G is between I and F, and this is only possible when because if the position of F is fixed, then only we can make position. Then only we can identify the position of G, because G is between I and F. If F is here, if we are taking F here, then we should take G here, and then only we can see I in this position, G in this position. Okay, H is a lady member and second to the left of J. This statement we can follow because the position of J is fixed, and because according to this statement, H is a lady member and is second to the left of J. Second to the left of J means in clockwise direction 1, 2. So this is the position of that lady member H. Now because this person is lady, so we can mark some symbol. For example, I write this minus sign over there, this negative sign, to represent a female member. So H is a lady member and second to the left of J. Second to the left of J. Next, L, a male member, is seated opposite to E. L is a male member and seated opposite to E. If L is this person, then E should be this. But if suppose L is here, then what? We will discuss it later. E is also a lady member, because this is given that L, a male member, is seated opposite to E. a lady member, so E is also a lady member. Next, there is a lady member between F and I. Now between F and I there is a lady member, so H can be that lady who is sitting between F and I, so I can be here, but still the two positions are blank. Okay, now again read all the statements. The first statement is E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L are seated around the square table, two on each side. There are three lady members and they are not seated next to each other. The next is J is to the immediate neighbors of L and F. The next is G is between I and F. Now G is between I and F, and because if we take F here, then the next person uh, after F is H. So now we can make this position fix. For example, we take F on this position, then only we can set it G next to F, and then only G is between I and F, so I should be here. So again this position is also changed because I is not here, and L is a male member is seated opposite to E. L is a male member is seated opposite to E, and there is a lady member between F and I. If F is here, I is here, then this person should be female. Now one person is remaining, and because the position of J is fixed, the position of F is fixed. This person is F, then G, then I, then E, and L and H. So one person which is remaining is K, and this position is of K. So and all these persons are male other than G, E, and H. So this is the arrangement of these 8 people around a square table. Let's draw the proper diagram. So according to us, the arrangement is J, who is a male member, is sitting next to L, is also a male member, then followed by H, who is a female member, K, again a male member, E, a female member, I, a male member, and G, a female member, and F, who is a male member. And so this is the solution of this puzzle. So this is from sitting arrangement topic, and we will discuss the next topic in next session. Thank you.